Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. Describing food. A shopping list. I need. I need a bag of chips. How about 2? I need a can of soda. What kind? I need a jar of jam. What flavor? I need a bar of candy. Is chocolate fine? I need a carton of milk. Nonfat? I need a box of pasta. Which brand? I need a bottle of wine. Cheap or expensive? I need a loaf of bread. Is French bread okay? Okay, now it's your turn. I need a bag of chips. I need a can of soda. I need a jar of jam. I need a bar of candy. I need a carton of milk. I need a box of pasta. I need a bottle of wine. I need a loaf of bread. Okay, great job. I'll see you next time. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please become a member to get flashcards and worksheets. Thank you very much. Bye.